Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make It Maths. Today we shall be looking at equivalent fractions. Now equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal in size, but the numbers on the top and bottom are different. To get from one fraction to an equivalent one, you have to multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. Okay, let's go through some examples and hopefully things will become a lot clearer. Now let's take a chocolate bar for example. Here's my chocolate bar. Like so. Let's drag it up here. Okay, and I'm now to split that chocolate bar into two equal parts. Okay, so I split it into two and I eat one of those parts. And I shall show you what I mean. So if I'm now to eat one of those parts here of that chocolate bar, I have eaten one. If you bear with me a bit. Okay, so I'll have eaten one out of two pieces of the chocolate bar. So I've eaten essentially a half of that chocolate bar. Now let's draw another chocolate bar exactly the same as the one we've got here. Let's drag that up there, make it a little bit neater. And let's split that chocolate bar this time into four equal parts. So like so. So we've got two parts there and split it down the middle again. So if I now split it into four equal parts, and if I am now to eat two of those bars, two out of the four bars, I will have eaten 2/4 of the chocolate, two out of four pieces, 2/4 there. Now, if you look at the two images of the chocolate bars here, you can actually see that I've actually eaten the same amount of each chocolate bar. That tells us really that half is equal to 2/4, i.e. a half is equivalent to 2/4. Now let's look at the fractions half and 2/4 a little bit closer and the relationship between them. If we concentrate on the denominators, which is the 2 and the 4 here, if we multiply that denominator 2 by 2, we get 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now let's concentrate on the numerators, which is the 1 and the 2 here. Okay, so if we multiply 1 by 2, excuse my drawing here. If we multiply the 1 by 2 here, so you get 1 times 2 is 2, and we get 2 times 2 is 4. This is in fact very crucial because this actually is the principle for finding equivalent fractions, which is multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number. Now let's try another example here. Let's take the fraction 3/4. Got 3/4 here. Now if we were to multiply the denominator of the fraction, which is the 4 here, by say 4, and we are to multiply the numerator, which is the top bit of the fraction, by 4, we will get another fraction which will be 4 times 4, which is 16, and 3 times 4, which is 12. So what we have here is that 3/4 is exactly the same as 12/16, i.e. 3/4 is equivalent to 12/16. Okay, let's try another different fraction now, 3/5.